weekly prayer meeting is now also back in the building. So if you want to join with the group that pray for everything going on here at church and elsewhere, then come 10 till 11 on a Thursday morning. You can join any Thursday that you want, but come along here to Excel Church to pray and seek God together on a Thursday morning.
Now the tomb is bare and empty, and the stone is rolled away. Praise the risen one who overcame.
Kids! Yeah! Youth!
Whoa!
Guess what? The Easter holidays are over, which means one thing. All our programs are back at church in the building to have fun, games and some more lessons from the Bible. So that means you need to be joining us for our G-Force on a Friday and for youth on a Friday. Also youth on a Tuesday if you can make it. So guys, the fun is starting up again and it's going to be a great one. So we'll see you there.
Who overcomes the world. Let there be dancing in the darkness, and let our song break through the night.
The God Loves You tour is going to be happening on Saturday the 14th of May, and we're going to be going here from Excel Church. We're going to be taking a coach full of people, so why not come along and even invite a friend. The coach will cost £10, but then the event there in Liverpool is completely free, so why not invite someone along that you can bring to hear the good news of Jesus for maybe the first time ever. But guys, you'll also have a bit of free time when we're there to actually have a look around Liverpool as well. But we'll be leaving from church at 1 p.m. And then we'll be coming back a little later in the evening. So why not come along and join us for the God Loves You tour, and why not invite a friend too.
Risen King who stands in victory. Let there be dancing in the darkness, and let our song break through
The marriage prep course is going to be happening on the 7th and 21st of May. So if you're getting married or you know someone who is, then why not sign up or get them signed up for this course, ready to get them prepared for their big day.
Let our song break through the night. Lift your voice and sing that.
Amigos, nos vamos a España a hacer misiones. Yes, friends, you heard right. We are going to Spain for a mission trip in September. So if you're interested in this and you'd like to join us with it, then why not speak to Dan to get your application pack today? Or head to Church Suite or online to have a look at how you can sign up to receive your pack.
In Jesus, hallelujah. Death is undone, hallelujah. Jesus has won, hallelujah. We overcome.
Guys, guess what's happening? A huge Black Country-wide event is happening at Himley Park, and we at Excel Church are supporting this event. We're partnering with Love Black Country, where they're going to be putting on loads of fun stuff on Saturday the 9th of July. You need to be there, so get that date in your diary. There's going to be a music zone, there's going to be a youth zone, a kids zone. It's an amazing day for families to come together and have some fun there. I'm actually going to be hosting it, so I would love to see a lot of you there as well. And also Governor B is going to be there. Listen, get the date in your diary, Saturday the 9th of July, and let's go to the Together Festival together.
Sing in the darkness, and let our song break through the night. Lift your voice and sing that Christ is King, for Jesus is alive.
Our Strength Will Rise t-shirts are finally here, so that means that you can order yours straight away so you get it in time for the weekend away. So why not come here after the service today to the foyer to get yours today?
Jesus is alive. Lift your voice and sing that Christ is King, for Jesus is alive.
So don't forget, this week is prayer and Bible study, so make sure you join us here at church on Wednesday at 7:30 for that. And that's all for Excel News, so have a great week guys, and we'll see you next week.